plan no ye kona mo kwatira wo some Coachman casket shops here you will not come every to send your movie now Coachman casket shop you will kuma say in front of New Town you need labor office na ben Coachman casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and fallen caskets.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, Yenimwa na yeko. Ya sanso at the new programs kra and the Abramo. March mo nida etoso adiono enson 27th March ya. Eye Saturday ebe ya. Ye de edaba ko pe esi ho. Achirechire eni.
Right, yes, I am Makwaba and Famra Sidopi live on Kumawood television. Mubancha yenimo say dum so aba anase bia so na bia na dum kakra bi abeka on but isi ji forma yehunu say dum so na ba yehunu na yehunu hye ya betimi aye still yene empenifo edin komo honorable former presiding member of KMA Opo man ewa ha sanso na National President Edema Cocoa Farmers Association we Kenya ku adwuma pa sabi wahu na ya to na se a na ye ka se National President a enko ba nka macho man ne asojafo edina tinya agro ekuafo ohun ti chocolate nso kwa na omunya bi ni well run na enso a sanso na former parliamentary candidate Edema Inshes constituency Evangelist Richard Pra enso ewa ha Evangelist memra ho so far ujidi se ede na betumi aye ede apeja akuafo asitire
no cray wo mu ne say yentumi yi politics in free cocoa and samsam no mu because of sika de bre o minor any government awo so no sika de bebrel eno nti the way forward ye say ye ne cocoa akuafo no betena se
okay.
This time we must go down to them. Yeah, the cocoa scholarship near there how many cocoa farmers no mumba enya scholarship? Minimum penyi bi wo krom ha minimum ni krom cocoa dua ba kokro ni ne man miensa omunyina from Crane to Kranka University cocoa scholarship. How many farmers? Now Minua Opo I will understand him on dua cocoa than I will understand him. And then or ye more neutral and then Opo ye neutral and not buying so and contribute too much to the welfare of the farmers. I understand him. No ka sembi. Say ye nyina de adwen be koso a. Omo a eye adwuma o cocoa institutions ni ade any baby a ye site omo no ma bi. If it's about hotel I will understand say hotel no say you won't say back when she so ha because a commercial venture into what you see me person mebo bi krom mambo mi krom abrem brasia obi ankon wa koda sa hotel no mu beboka enti e de ba krom
wo di kosi sehwiyo so a o moka
and wona wa bo sehwiyo so di me ma bo mi krom di ba bi wo ha wo di hotel no kosi a beboka enti that say a commercial venture ye betumi a grantium but normal be to say omo ye adwuma wo cocoa institutions be to say cocoa board cocoa processing factories ni ade no this is where I was say ma cocoa akuafo no mabusua no priority money pa no ohun say ye tea beans I make sure documentary bi obi adiko chocolate akọ seshi krobi so adiko bisa farmer no onima de kro cocoa farmer ohun bi da
and this time
Opo
and this
ohun bi da and as we speak enti say ya ma omo that exposure na ne yanka omo ambomu a getting this pension way for cocoa farmers edi mfie bebre for me I think it's so unfair ya hwe ne ye mpo a omo be ye no ne ye de yen titi krom na di na asa akohyehe ebe benefit but we must go down the president no I was so buani identify the real farmers ne hwe moa de be mo that is how come I make the NDC ayabua from Rollins Pencil ne ade ayabua mo a yenim se 2024 se nyame ye adoma ye enoma bebre de beba na opo se onihwe obeka ma MPP omeye ase de omo wo hwe koko areas na seat ni nyina ya NDC dia koko rose kra ye se o ma betwitwam
okay right opo ade na wa ba wonu aban wo so ya ka free sabria then na wo saban ye
so ni me anze me no dey static communication che ba hutie so ni me you can go back to my records. Sometimes I am enemy to my own party. I think you are aware. I am one person. I'm a issue be any issue be and I'm a partisan. I think we wow follow Pullman. Sometimes you can hear me. I'm a party for an echo. And then you mean I'm a supporter. Say a party, a party. I don't want to be a truly partisan politician. I want to blend it. When it's about the party. But can me feel the past? I just want to be a social politician.
Okay.
So I'm always thinking about the future of Ghana, Mother Ghana, and Ashanti region.
Okay.
That is my policy. And the unim communicated be your MPP or NDC. Sometimes you can hear he fought against on one party. Obi wait my you be a compare Puma. Who obi any? And don't forget to say, ebi a minute bibi bebre o, but me was certain issue. You so politics in your day, Uncle. We are crying for our people, the farmers. Was a member party? That is what I also call. Yes, yeah, me fix here and say now. Yeah, I think I mean they say president. But most of the cocoa farmers crying him because there is no education. Say na say buying say ye fa cocoa for ma, ye fa cocoa and crofo cocoa border. Ye fa cocoa for ma mo no so ye den ewum. But most of the cocoa farmers crying. Say or say me ba. Me man cocoa file be say. Me papa do cocoa you say wa branch yam from so that 2, 3, 10 years cocoa farmers mark or doors who cocoa institution now. Amon trust ma obia. Ono ne papa de call. One Harvard, Oxford, one won't be that. But he's speaking for cocoa farmers. We name abwa how can these people help cocoa farmers? Anything I'm saying, do certain issues. Let's put politics aside. It made me say this campaign when a president Emma Munyedu. Now some insight. Your friend is saying, say, Dami Oha will be premier. Po, yes, here cocoa you in a crown. I think come here employment, but yes. But cocoa for more serving. Asamine so for one. Say munim say cocoa farmers here for nipa. Abai no so ayen hyehyɛ se yam fa mo manya dey. Obi tie se yam me what chance cocoa me will be na me de wakɔ. Enti
ni na be wie mo so.
Mike, that is what I'm saying. If yam build this society no, na ya anya welfare. Okay. Ya nwe wa. Sa nyoma we wo pa adua. One tons of metric one. Oh yes sir. The free Harvard. Oxford, Obeba Bedi, Nantia Jowa, any friend, Baba Mumune do Coco, no headache, or suffer. All these things are not necessary now. What is more necessary? Say, Yan require Bema, Yamano, and Coco, Jumano, and soon fast walk. Naya, Bina making. What the Coco Hotel? A business, furniture, what the ABC in Sheswa, Upescadira, Coco, Jumamewa. Now, Coco Hospital, why not second child? Why no na walk home? Why na yellow fever ne one? Okay. Now so the basic command. Yes, time a basic command and nani pay day eba. He say when be when ka you move to other so that benefit
Adam Kusiapia or say I'm watching from Manso. In fact, the discussion is on point. Okay, Adam and so I don't know. Run we are president Edema Uku Equiafo. Exactly, then I was a buying here. And then I'm also more ye. At me at the Ashama Quiafo, and at me at all more. I'm like, young no crash swap at home, but I'm a bed 3-4 minutes. Now, you didn't come on. That's said, you can say, young common name. And can you say, Ghana have a cuckoo bar 140 years. 140 years. Cuckoo board. I see, yes. Cuckoo board by existence. That's cocoa marketing board to date as cocoa board.
It's almost 80 years.
From 1947.
Yes. It's almost 80 years now. Almost celebrating 70th anniversary. Quite about 3, 4, 5 years ago. Now, the loan from outside. Like I said, about 2 years ago, there was a debate about the fact that you produce chocolate in our hand. We can earn more than $20 billion a year. Meanwhile, Afibiano, you loan for the idea a year $2 billion. And you got loan I got now bank got syndicated in trenches. Trench 1 will be a 1.3 billion. No, the other you are 700 years back. A maintenance now saying we say your generation back to come into one so that and then won't be into young builders are doing you may running age. Not young Kojibo see your fair to sustain cocoa production you can or to enhance production and keeping the interest of the cocoa farmers. The amount of we are following from your cocoa every essential commodity. Your friend on missing. Near cocoa, near Tonato. Gradually, sadly, you Sana cocoa, cocoa on climate change. Be interest a decline.
Galam said, no,
you say, yeah, the cashuba, Galam say 4 different ways. You say, it's a better credit. Now, population of about 3 million. Ye cocoa, cocoa board company. You ever bet in a honey, a drum for a beba man, a from 4 and robbers and a woman. It is a baby a bar. On your not say, Sa industry, no. I'm yet trade a to control not less than 3 million people. And for that, he should do something like that.
Right. Messages no. Ready to and Kaba Monfanche say Gabi or Kitty our vice principal also say Yanasi say also O'Shea. Yanama say Munyamre na mo Eshe say it's a budget no and the share the Abano Makia for you say from both parties, both the NDC and NPP, you know, to say Akakra, I was say at the bois Akia for with a Musa and Sana, quickly. Conone, send me, emergency secretary, I crack a major. Without crew, will you advise me?
And Yakono, because you need welfare and you need future. Cocoa farming business, no, Enti sebe ye dia abani nya ho bibi ena nkrani anye dia ye pese ye kan in short to say se pension scheme we ye duma that ya pla wo we need that so sana ye mutual health ye pese ye dey ye bonus and then premium and ye converting ye na me call hospital na me call it free and mama ko ye kon kotiti me kontom ready dikakata me ya me nya bibi e will be ahwe me na sa me nya pension kata what is my problem
no oho ya kwa da krakra
oh ne krakra nyina aseminia kokko adwuma de e na ahwe nyina nti e ka bra no mfa na hwan na NDC na hwan tons ne hwan na tons ne produce free ye pre Kwame Nkrumah enye ehu na ye encourage your farmers na ye encourage say those in political arena say we should stop putting politics in our cocoa and our farmers why ye farm kunche
o puma wonsem o say as other say we school would you like to venture into farming
onim
kakra
Mike me farming pa me tuwe farming pa wo wonti bisunre
asanya wana akwakoye dwuma
nti anyama akoba say o me kai say unza me school kakra
okay
me wo school land na ba na say me catro bi say me pese me the land ne ye fa
o land do the school
say baby school no no unti na me che say interest 1 acre so the year broker anya you what the year broker something ba me nya bi da ba say many abeje hom say me ne no kra me ka chen say gise me nya walentin bu tentini bi ansana makobi go me ade me go me dey wo wonti entina koko afonfo asem ehiame na wo kawa na obo hu say yes aduma na de
opoma na no aduru minim se opo be contest as chairmanship won share so ye de wo be chesi but I've been person me painted that gloomy picture about farming and cocoa we say no. I would encourage every young person who say ubetum come na minim say ya start wo baby no a bedroom maybe a beya kono achen ye tie
right meaning Eddie Sir Mike Moti Ora Anane Boate national president Eddie Cocoa Farmers Association of Ghana on kan association ho ado ho rem fi say omo na betumi fight for your welfare to me at the amount so man loans okay wow that's the most cat
from
ADB okay right so and I'm say former presiding member Kumasi Assembly Pope Mike Abraham Body and kind
my guy no my be share there
see shares constituency evangelist Richard Pra and so and committee at the same time on behalf of the entire crew 0551 you see her Echa your crowd
good
job training Kumawood Training Institute say there yenimu na yeko ya sanso ade new programs kra na ede ebremo March mo ne da etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya eye Saturday ebeya ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho akyerɛkyerɛw eniema wo ya ye nkyerɛ bi wo ba bia da ka tai che ekyerɛ se ka akoba ye yusu atwam no ede na ye kyerɛw se na esi ede ye nkonya ede gu ye dem ye office ye restaurant eni ba bia ye besa so akyerɛw mosquito spray we die eyasem de efie bia ni wa ntuntum nie enu ntino ye kyerɛw tuntum adura wo be spray wo dem a entuntum bia ntimi nka wo we esase efie bia mu obi firi ho ba na obesua saade we